Elijah Codes the Ocean. Hello everyone, welcome to Elijah Codes the Ocean. Today we're going on an amazing adventure to discover how one of the biggest machines ever built works, a container ship. Have you ever wondered how your toys, clothes, shoes, books, phones, or even your Lego sets travel from one country to another? The answer is simple. Many of them travel across the ocean on giant container ships. Let's find out how they work. What is a container ship? A container ship is a very large ship that carries thousands of containers across the world's oceans. A container is a big metal box that keeps goods safe during their journey. Inside these containers can be toys, clothes, food, cars, furniture, computers, bicycles, and many other things people use every day. Some of the largest container ships can carry more than 20,000 containers at one time. That's like carrying an entire city full of packages across the ocean. The bridge, the ship's control room. Now let's visit the bridge. The bridge is the control room of the ship. This is where the captain and officers work. From here, they steer the ship, watch the weather, communicate with other ships, and make sure everyone stays safe. They use large computer screens, radar, maps, and navigation equipment to guide the ship across the ocean. Think of the bridge like the driver's seat of a giant floating city. The engine room, the ship's heart. Next, let's go deep inside the ship. Welcome to the engine room. The engine room is the heart of the ship. Here you'll find one of the biggest engines in the world. The engine produces enormous power that turns a long shaft connected to the propeller. Without the engine, the ship couldn't move. The engine also helps provide electricity for lights, computers, and other equipment on board. The propeller and rudder. Now let's dive underwater. Can you see the giant propeller? When the engine turns the propeller, it pushes water backwards. As the water moves backwards, the ship moves forwards. This is called propulsion. Behind the propeller is another important part called the rudder. The rudder acts like the steering wheel of the ship. When it turns left or right, it helps the ship change direction safely. Together, the engine, propeller, and rudder help move this giant ship across the ocean. Cargo containers. Look at all those colorful containers stacked on the ship. Each container has its own number so it can be tracked around the world. Inside them could be food, medicine, toys, electronics, clothes, sports equipment, books, and much more. Special cranes lift these heavy containers onto the ship before it sails to another country. When the ship reaches its destination, the containers are unloaded and delivered by trucks or trains. Ports and giant cranes. Where do ships stop? They stop at ports. A port is like a giant parking lot for ships. Huge cranes carefully lift containers on and off the ship. Trucks and trains then carry the containers to stores, factories, and homes. Ports work every day to help goods move around the world. Without ports, international trade would be much slower. GPS, radar, and weather system ships don't just sail anywhere. They use amazing technology to stay safe. GPS tells the ship exactly where it is. Radar helps the crew see other ships, land, and obstacles, even when it's dark or foggy. Weather systems warn the crew about storms, strong winds, and rough seas. All of this technology helps ships travel safely across the world's oceans. How artificial intelligence helps ships today. Many ships are becoming smarter thanks to artificial intelligence, also called AI. AI can help plan the best route. It can help save fuel. It can monitor the engine. It can warn the crew if something might go wrong. It can even help reduce pollution by making ships more efficient. In the future, AI will make shipping even safer and better for everyone. Protecting our oceans. Our oceans are home to whales, dolphins, sea turtles, fish, and many other amazing animals. Everyone who works at sea has a responsibility to protect the ocean. Modern ships work hard to reduce pollution, save fuel, recycle waste, and protect marine life. Healthy oceans are important for people, animals, and our planet. We can all help by reducing plastic waste and taking care of our environment. Could you build the ships of the future? Maybe one day you'll become a marine engineer, a ship captain, a naval architect, a data scientist, a programmer, or even invent the next generation of smart ships. The future of shipping needs curious young minds just like yours. So keep asking questions, keep building, keep exploring, and never stop learning. Thank you for joining me on this ocean adventure. If you enjoyed learning about container ships, Don't forget to subscribe to Elijah Codes the Ocean for more exciting videos about ships, oceans, engineering, technology, and amazing discoveries. Until next time, keep exploring, keep coding, and keep dreaming big. See you on the next adventure.